And get the towel and then clean up the floor.
Go.
It's right here on the chair. There's some chocolate milk on the chair right there. Can you wipe it off, please? Yeah, on the table also. There. Yeah, clean it up and wipe it off.
Hi.
Okay. And once you're done, hey. Come on, tell ya. Once you're done, will you put that rag over there in the basket, please?
Okay.
Alright, good job. Yay, give me 5. Down low. Not with you. Your hand. Yeah, good job.